What's up, guys? 2017 Camry. This is a quick video on how to replace your cabin air filter. This is what it looks like. It filters the air in here. Basically what you want to do is open this, take out any stuff you have in here, and then that little thing right there, you're going to come over here, this tab is, push it, pull this out, and then there's a tab right here. Pop that loose, and on the other side there's the same exact thing. There's a little tab there. Reach in there. Alright. And notice this says up on it. That's for your cabin filter. I'll show you in a second. And then you just kind of wiggle this out. Massage it out. A little bit of a tight fit. Okay. And then notice this arrow right here. Also says up. And then I go ahead and pull this out, just push it on the side, squeeze it out, and there you go. Got my new one here, and there's the part number, and then it says up. So go ahead and put this in here. Also, if you have blower motor noise, you might have like leaves or something in here. Make sure the car is off and the blower motor's not on, or gonna accidentally get hit on. But you could reach in here and get any leaves or debris out of there if you're getting a noise when your motor's on. So let's go ahead and put this in here, like that. And then it's just this guy. And again, this goes up. Be careful not to break the sides. The little tabs on the sides, they're easy to break. That should just clip in when you push it. And here's our last panel. Put this side in first with the tabs. Put that in. Walk it in like this. Should clip. And that's it. Now also, if you have a lot of stuff in there, like a rat nest or whatever, you could come down on the bottom and actually drop the blower motor down. If you remove this panel, I'll get a closer look. You have to pop this down by pushing on these little tabs, and then this will be able to come down. I use like a small flathead or something. And then you come under here, and this is your blower motor right here. There's these little screws. You unscrew those screws. I think there's like 4 of them. And this will come down, and then you can clean it out and then put it back in. Just make sure it's not plugged in, and make sure you have the power off. And that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow, all that stuff, and I'll see you next time.